Imagine this. You apply for a credit card. Rejected. You apply for a car loan. High interest rate. You try to rent an apartment. Denied. All because of one number. Your credit score. But what if I told you you can boost your credit score in just 30 days? Let's break it down. First, understand this. Your credit score is mainly based on 5 things. 35% payment history, 30% credit utilization, 15% credit age, 10% credit mix, 10% new inquiries. Now if you want fast results, focus on the biggest factor. Number 1, never miss a payment. Even one late payment can drop your score by 50 to 100 points. Set autopay today. Not tomorrow. Today. Number 2, lower your credit utilization. This is the secret most people ignore. If your credit limit is $1,000 and you're using $900, that's bad. Keep it below 30%. Even better? Below 10%. So if your limit is $1,000, try to keep usage under $100. You can even pay your card twice a month, before the statement date. That alone can boost your score quickly. Number 3, don't close old credit cards. Long credit history equals more trust. Even if you don't use it, keep it open. Number 4, avoid too many hard inquiries. Every time you apply for credit, your score drops slightly. So stop applying randomly. And finally, if your score is low, consider becoming an authorized user on someone's good credit card. It can instantly improve your profile. Remember, credit score is not about how rich you are. It's about how responsible you look. Fix these 3 things. Pay on time. Lower utilization. Stop unnecessary applications. Do this for 30 days. And you'll see the difference. Your future self will thank you.